Naturally, since beginning, we are telling, and our Supreme also telling, that we are not against the project of the Polavaram. And the Telangana farmers also, they express the willingness to continue the Polavaram. But since beginning, we are asking the change of designing. Because environmental also, as per 1 of 70 Act, naturally the submergency comes under only for tribal areas. More than 350 to 340 villages are coming under submergency. The villages are comprising only purely tribals, the remote people tribals. And naturally, for submergence in the tribal area, the local, not only Telangana people, even Andhra persons also will going to get damage. Even Rajahmundry of the Andhra Pradesh, they are going to submerge. By construction, say with same design, if they construct the Polavaram project, naturally the repeatancy and reoccurrence of the flood percentage will be more, as per the Central Water Committee Authority members. So what we are suggesting and what we are requesting the Central Water Commission and as well as the Andhra Pradesh government also, request for consider the change of the design. By that, minimize 70 to 80 villages will be minimized, and Ayakat also same, almost all same Ayakat will come under the Polavaram project only. But they are making provoking statements and they don't want to change their design. That's why when the formation day, that is on June 2nd, even the people are celebrating, people are enjoying, Telangana people they want to enjoy. But even the under leadership of the Modi, we are not against Modi. Modi, I think, briefed by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister or Venkaiah Naidu, somebody from the Andhra Pradesh. They briefed and they made it the Polavaram should be, they brought the ordinance of the Polavaram. It is unfair and injustice towards a part of the Telangana people. So naturally, when we met with the Honorable Prime Minister, we told clearly we are not against the Polavaram project. We allow, though water is going from Telangana area, the farmers of Telangana or farmers of the Andhra Pradesh same, one and same. We don't want to quarrel with them, but we want certain proposals for changing of the design. So we suggested and we given the design proposal also. And simultaneously, we are again fighting for that withdrawal of the Polavaram ordinance. And we told the Prime Minister clearly that stating that we are given the Bandh call. Whenever the Polavaram ordinance been introduced, on that day, though we are government, but aspirations of the people Telangana only, we came to the power. Naturally, each and every simple issue also, we don't want to leave the rights of the Telangana people. So naturally, on that day, we are given Bandh call, and Bandh call, including Hyderabad also, they made, they cooperated, all the businessmen cooperated, and all the people of Telangana, people of 4 crore people, they welcomed our move. In addition to that, our MPs, we know that Jitendra Reddy MPs belongs to Telangana people, TRS people, they raised in the parliament. Not only Telangana state, and this one Orissa and Chhattisgarh and some Andhra people, because though tribal areas are going, all tribal MPs, more than 30 MPs are raised in the Lok Sabha, and they protested for introduction of the Polavaram ordinance. And simultaneously, we are going to the Supreme Court and we filed a petition in the Supreme Court for withdrawal of the Polavaram ordinance. Because democratic setup came, already 2 states the government formed. Without consultation of the concerned state, whether it is Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, the central government brought the ordinance without consent of the state government. So it's unfair and it's not against the democratic norms. That's why by keeping in this view, we filed the petition in the Supreme Court. Naturally, we got confidence from the court. Naturally, the Supreme Court will give direction to the central government for the withdrawal of the ordinance. And ordinance also unnecessarily, undemocratically, they brought on the day of the formation of Telangana. It irked the Telangana people. So these all things we briefed to the Prime Minister. This is unfair, sir, because you misguided. He also agreed, but he got some compulsions. Maybe he got compulsions. And this session, I think they are going to introduce. Naturally, not only Telangana state people, including all the tribals of the, we are getting the information to all the tribal MPs of the several part of the India, and we are moving in the parliament and as well as the court. Naturally, we are submitting all the representation to the court that so many villages are submerged. It's unfair, and according to 1 of the 70 Act also, it is against to the people of the reactive people of the tribal area. Naturally, we are going to success, I think, we hope. All the party concerned, including ministers and including CM, we are concentrating on the restructuring of the Telangana only.